In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Instagram. After blocking an account on Instagram, later you want to unblock it. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Instagram homepage, navigate to the bottom right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Proceed to tap on these three ellipses on the top right corner. Then continue to tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll down until you locate blocked and continue to tap on it. So you land onto an interface like this where you will see all your blocked accounts that you have previously blocked. And in order to unblock the person, all you have to do is to navigate and tap on unblock. A pop-up menu will appear. Continue to tap on unblock. Congratulations, you have successfully unblocked this account on Instagram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I will do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.